Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a favorite of kids as well as grown-ups. Today I'm making chocolate chip banana muffins. You need 3 ripe bananas for this recipe. I'm using Robusta, mash these ripe bananas using a fork. Into the mashed bananas, crack in 1 egg. Whisk it well and combine. Then add in milk, some melted butter, and mix it. Now let's mix in the dry ingredients. Add in all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and some cinnamon for the flavoring, some salt, and sift it. Now into the sifted dry ingredients, add in the banana mixture and mix it. I have added some brown sugar for that little extra bit of sweetness, but if you have really ripe bananas, you don't have to add any sugar. You can always add some milk to make that into the perfect cake batter consistency. Now here comes the favorite ingredient, chocolate chips. And when chocolate is there as an ingredient, my kids just love to help me. This is one of those recipes where you can ask your kids help. And she just perfectly arranged all the cupcake liners for me. Now scoop in the muffin batter into the cupcake liners. Make sure to pour in equal quantity so that all the cupcakes will be in same size. Now just before baking, you can add some extra chocolate chips. And she was very much ready to help me with that. Bake this in a 175-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All the muffins got perfectly baked. A slight golden shade on top is really required. Once it is baked, transfer that onto a wire rack and allow it to cool down. Now our delicious stuffed with chocolate chips banana muffins are ready. You can even add nuts and raisins into this muffin. See the soft texture of this muffin, and it is so delicious. These muffins are just perfect for your kids' school snack, so definitely try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel. Thank you.